Oh, hello there. It is Jason. I didn't see you guys tuning in here for this product review. Well, anyway, I've got a really awesome product review for a new keyboard that I am excited to share with you guys. So I'm going to be doing the review and unboxing of the Seenda wireless keyboard, Bluetooth wireless keyboard. This keyboard looks really cool. I've had a few people request doing a review of this. So they mentioned that it's compact, comfortable, and designed especially for the minimalistic wire-free desktop. So really excited to do this review with you guys and unboxing. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the review. And welcome back, guys. Let's go ahead and do this quick unboxing here. So I'll get this tape cut real quick with my pen. So on the outside of the box, got a little bit of information here. So this has got scissor switch, which is really cool, pretty quiet. Of course, QWERTY keyboard, plug and play. And then it's got different multimedia keys, which is pretty cool. On the back, just a little bit more info here. Another image. All right, let's open her up and see what we got inside. Okay. And again, this is a full-size keyboard. So this is definitely a little bit different than the Sparin or the foldable keyboard that I have looked at, the Jellycomb, and one of the other foldable keyboards. So as you can see, kind of for comparison, you've just got the extra other keys that you would normally have. So, but yeah, in terms of first interactions, I mean, the keys feel really good. The travel's very good. I like that. You know, it doesn't feel awkward. There's quite a few options here. I'm guessing, so I'm mostly a Mac user, but I mean, I use Windows and Linux as well for operating systems, but that's probably the command key if you also use Macs. Kind of like that there's a calculator button. That's cool. Let's see what we got. So there's your on-off switch, model number, product information. So this takes two AAA batteries, two or three, a few AAA batteries, your USB plug and play that you need to go ahead and connect the keyboard. So overall first impressions are actually pretty cool. I like the color too for this. I'm a big fan of the space gray color, and that's really what this looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and put some, well, before we do that, let's see what else we got in here, if anything. So it does not come with batteries, so you're going to have to get your own AAA batteries if you want to use the keyboard. So I'm going to go ahead and grab some AAA batteries here, get the keyboard plug and play, and let's go ahead and do some testing with that. All right, so I found some AAA batteries, putting them in here. Let's go ahead and get this little thing out here. Put the cover back on. All right, let's plug and play. All right, so let's go ahead and plug this baby in. See how well it connects. Boom. Let's turn the power switch on. Okay. Done there. And let's see what popped up here on the screen. So I'm gonna hit the on button here, hit continue. All right, we are in business. Got it, just choosing the options that we've got here. All right, Hello, my name is Jason. Woo! The keyboard is working. Yeah, so overall I like the placement of the keyboard. Keys work really well. Looks like there's a number of really good options available here. I mean, I like the travel of the keys. I like how the keyboard isn't too loud. You know, it's using the switches on here, which are really nice. Again, the design is pretty cool. I'm really impressed with this. I'm just testing out a few more things here. I mean, I like that key. The numeric keypad is actually really nice. The multimedia keys work well. Adjusting the volume here. Can play, pause, turn on and off the sound. Wow, there's a lot of really cool options. Yeah, I'm very impressed with this keyboard. If you guys are looking for a full-size wireless keyboard, I highly recommend going with this option. I will link to the product on Amazon. It's really affordable. I think it's 30 bucks is what I got this keyboard for. I might do an update, you know, sometime soon, but overall, I mean, in terms of use and everything with the keyboard, I think that this is a very good option to go with. So yeah, again, if you're looking for a full-size keyboard, wireless keyboard, I highly recommend going with this. And if you're looking for a smaller keyboard, you know, maybe one like this size, recommend going to check out one of my other videos on this. This one's the spare end keyboard, but I've got a few other keyboard reviews. What are your thoughts if you have this keyboard? I'd love to hear from you guys. What other questions do you have? Let me know in the comment section below, and I will do my best to answer them. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Remember to keep moving forward, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye-bye.